Good morning, students. So today we discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compounds. So number first we discuss about the formula writing. How can we write the formula of coordination compound? So some rules should be followed during writing the formula of the coordination compound. Number first, formula of the cation is written first, followed by that of the anions. So first of all, cations should be written after these anions. Next one is formula of the entire coordination entity, whether charge or not, is written in a square brackets. Charge or without charge, it should be coordination entity written in the square bracket. Next one is the ligands are right just after the central. The ligands are right just after the central metal atom without any space in alphabetical order. For examples, Ni, tetracarbonyls, nickels. So it is the name of these coordination compounds, and we write during the formula we follow nickel is a cations and carbon monoxide is ligand. So without any spacing we write the formula. Next one is polydentate ligands are also listed in the alphabetical orders. In case abbreviated ligands, it means when it is given in the short form. For examples, ethylene, diamines. So it can be indicated in En. So also first letter used for determine the position in the alphabetical order. For example, this. So first come E, and before the E the letter come the C, therefore we write the Cl before En. So this is the order of written the formula. Next, when formula of the charge coordination entity is to be the written without that of the counter ions, the charge indicated outside the square bracket. Counter ions can neutralize the whole coordination entity, so it is written outside the bracket when we write the charge. So without it is counter ion. These are some rules to should be followed during writing the formula. So it is the formula of this CO, Cl2, En twice, and within a square bracket Cl. Means CO is central metal atom, Cl2 and En twice is ligand. So without any spacing it is written within a square bracket, and it is the coordination sphere, and after this Cl is a counter ion. So it is the right way of writing the formula of coordination compounds. Next one is hexacyanocobalts. So hexacyanocobalt, this is written within a square bracket, so it is not written the counter ion, so it can indicate the 3 negative charge outside the sphere. Same way hexa aqua chromium, so it is also. So next part, rules for the IUPAC naming of the mononuclear coordination compound. So first of all we discuss the order of the naming ion. How can we write the name of ions? In ionic species or the complexes, the cation is named first, then the anions. So during writing the IUPAC name, International Union Bureau of Applied Chemistry, this is the short form IUPAC. So we write the name and first of all write the cations. So like this, diamine silver, first chloride, cation is silver, and after this chloride is anions. And next examples, this potassium hexacyanoferrate, so it is a cation, so write the first potassium. After potassium we write the ligand name and then the central metal atoms. So the non-ionic complexes are molecular complexes. However, those can be given in one word name. For example, this triamine trinitro cobalt. So this is rules, but after rules we discuss the details in about the formula, different types how can be write. So this is non-ionic complexes in molecular, so no spacing between them, it is written in one words. So naming of the coordination sphere, how can we name the coordination sphere? So naming of the coordination spheres, whether it is constituted by cations or anions or neutral molecules, the ligand are named first and then the central metal atom. During writing the coordination sphere, it means that within a bracket we write the ligand first, and when the number of the ligand 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc., so we write the di tri tetra hexa penta etc. So naming of ligand, how can we write the naming of ligand? So different types of ligands are the named differently as with adding prefix di tri tetra. So name of the ligand is include numerical prefix, then term used bias, tris, tetracis. It is a bidentate, tridentate, tetradentate in case. So negative ligands like during writing the name chloro for Cl, Br, bromo, acetato, oxalato, nitro, nitrato, amido, gaseous thiocyanado, oxo, fluorocyanosulfato, carbonato, nitrato, etc. So the end O, negative ligands name end with O. Positive ligand, so positive ligand is very rarely, so it is very rare and few. So it is in last the name end with the IUM. So nitrosonium, nitronium, hydrogenium, etc. So but it is the rare. Neutral ligands, it have no special ending except the waters. In case of the waters, they use the aqua and NH3Me, etc.